video the whole thing then all. Tell me when you're on.
It's rolling.
It's on. Okay, so this is Chris Sims EAA 34, and we are working on the WAR FW190 gear issues. Been talking to a buddy out in South Carolina about some things we needed to do. We seem to never be able to hold pressure and have all kinds of issues. One solution is to chrome it. But when I took it to the machine shop, they said the wall thickness is only a 1/16, and they're a little bit afraid because they have to machine off some material to do that. So chroming, we decided it's not what we're gonna do, but we honed it, got it down to near glass smooth on the inside. They polished the outside, and so we're as good as we're ever gonna get on this thing. So from here, we've washed it out with oil or with gas. We've lubed it up with hydraulic fluid. We've cleaned it out. The cylinder's clean. And we're going to go ahead and reassemble with new O-rings. So now we've got this strut, we're reassembling it. Got new O-rings inside and out. They're lubed up. The whole strut is lubed up with hydraulic oil. And this is that piston? Is there a, okay, it should go in, right? Okay, the inside of the strut's lubed up with hydraulic oil. And this is the area where the nitrogen fills up and you can hear it actually coming out. So bottom line, that piston will move up and down on the nitrogen. There'll be oil in the top chamber. Here's the top of the strut, and it's got the little metering hole right there for the oil. And we're just about to be done overhauling this thing. These are just polished struts. Like I said, they didn't have room, or I didn't think they could do the chroming. They actually could have done the outside, he said. But at $200 a strut, I decided it's worked before, and this is the best they've probably ever been, so we're going to just do that. So that's where we are, and here in a little bit we'll show you when they go into the airplane.
It'll just turn into hydraulic? Yeah, it's just, okay, here we go. What do you think? Looks good? That'll work.
Okay. Now we had to tap it in, kind of remember. How do we pull this thing down? Or will it? Should I just,
Yeah, sometimes I try to just tap it up there with that.
Yeah. I got the hammer, you can tap it
We're
back.
getting there. Yeah, you can't do that way.
Here. I can hold it, I can't do both. I can do one. I don't know how you did it.
There it goes, it started.
Okay.
Tap it on it this way.
Tap on it, like a little bit there. It seemed like the strut should come down.
Oh, you
Yeah,
can.
like that. Yeah.
I mean, it
I'm like going, man, I can't.
Do it like this right here too.
Oh, the bolt came out. Oh, did you have it left?
Yeah, it's got to be out of it'll pressurize.
Yeah.
You do it like that.
Yeah.
Tap that.
Oh, you want me to tap yours?
No, I'm just saying you can do it. You know, hit the bottom of the wrench and then kind of tap it up over. Yeah,
Okay, I think
it's going.
It's going here.
Yeah. Just got to past that starting point. There she goes.
Looks like it's going in. Here. If you drive this up, it won't go in, right? Let me put some, can we kind of give it a twisty? There we go. Where is it? hit the bottom, it's not going to go anymore.
Yeah, maxed out on the inside here.
Okay. Yeah, I got wood.
Wooden dowel.
I got a piece. I got wood
That's what we need.
everywhere.
Okay, let it kind of settle in there. There you go. There you go. Oh shoot, you have to edit that out.
Hold it a minute.
Kind of
and
burp it a little bit or
Let it
something?
burp. Okay, so there's one. Now I know it holds more than that because
Yes, I
the
agree.
cylinders.
Wood.
I'll let it burp now, and if you kind of give it a squirt, then when you stop a second, I'll, there you go. Okay,
Seem to be working.
yeah, not coming out now. Okay. Stop a second here, yeah. Okay, good. Oops, I didn't have my finger up good enough. There you go. Okay, let me, took my finger off.